Assalamu alaikum. Lesson number 8. The 7th, 8th and 9th year of Makki period. Protection. When Abu Talib realized that the Quraysh could harm Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he prepared the tribes of Banu Hashim and Banu Muttalib to protect the Prophet. Boycott by Quraysh. Seeing this situation, instead of attempting to kill the Prophet, the Quraysh declared an oppressive boycott against the two tribes. This was during 7th Nabawi year. Abu Talib took the tribes to a valley called Shi'b Abi Talib. They spent 3 extremely difficult years there. Preaching. During the boycott, the Prophet and his companions continued to give da'wah for people coming for Hajj. Still, most of the tribes did not accept. The lessons are: try to keep the family members united, prepare different individuals to support da'wah, be patient when facing difficulties in preaching Islam. Major events of 7th, 8th and 9th years are protection, boycott and preaching during Hajj. For more details, watch our 5-minute series on YouTube.